Hi everyone, and welcome back! Today, we are diving into something super simple, but surprisingly easy to get wrong: making the perfect sandwich. Sandwiches are quick, convenient, and versatile. But with a few pro tips, you can take your lunch game from ordinary to expert level. Let us get started. Choose the right bread. Always go for bread that is fresh, but not straight out of the oven. If it is too new, it can be tricky to slice neatly. Keep slices on the thinner side so the bread does not overwhelm the filling. Butter matters. Completely cover the bread with a thin layer of butter or spread. This acts as a waterproof barrier, stopping moisture from fillings like tomatoes or cucumbers from seeping into the bread and making it soggy. Prepare fillings ahead of time and make sure they are well seasoned. For soft fillings, like egg mixed with yogurt or tuna salad, add something crisp for texture. Lettuce, cucumber, or even chopped celery work perfectly. Storage and freshness. If you're prepping sandwiches the night before, wrap them tightly in aluminum foil or a food-safe bag and store them in the fridge. This keeps them fresh, crisp, and delicious. To crust or not to crust, it is your choice. Large sandwiches often hold better with crusts on, while dainty finger sandwiches look much more elegant with the crusts removed. Always slice sandwiches cleanly with a sharp knife. Straight cuts work well for hearty sandwiches, while diagonal cuts make lighter ones feel more appealing. And there you have it. Expert sandwich making tips to make sure your lunches are fresh, tasty, and never soggy again. If you found these tips helpful, then like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who love quick and easy kitchen hacks.